It's so easy, and it's great for tiki drinks. Like I'm gonna use it to make a zombie, to show you guys how to make a zombie. But what's really great is you can use this in a lot of other tiki drinks. So it's so easy to make. It's like making regular simple syrup, which is adding a little bit of cinnamon to it. So here's what we're gonna do. So here I've got 2 sticks of cinnamon, all right? I'm just gonna take a mallet here, a hammer. I'm gonna break those up into little smaller pieces like that, see? Super easy. Just get the flavors going, the cinnamon flavor coming out of that, like that, that's good. I'm just gonna do a half version of this, just a half a version of the simple syrup. So I'm gonna do a half cup of water into a saucepan and a half cup of sugar, just granulated sugar, into a saucepan. Bring that up to a heat. Okay, bring that up, start getting it nice and hot, all right? And then into that, we're going to add all this wonderful cinnamon that I just pummeled, all right? There goes in. Bring it up to a simmer so that when that sugar melts into the water, that's all you need. So when that happens, which shouldn't take too long, just stir it up with a whisk. And then once this actually melts, the sugar melts into the water, then you're just gonna turn off the heat, put a cover on it, and leave it for 2 hours for the cinnamon to really infuse the simple syrup. And that's it. So easy. This is Don Beach's actual mix. This was the thing that was toughest to find and to make. Well, it's easy to make, just tough to find. It's super easy. It's 2 parts of fresh grapefruit juice and 1 part of cinnamon simple syrup.